The Myanmar Army fighter jets that attacked Camp Victoria in Chin State, Burma on January 10, 2023 have also dropped a bomb on Indian soil. Locals have confirmed it with evidence. As per the sources, on January 10, 2023 at around 5:15 p.m., local Myanmar time Burmese military fighter jets dropped at least 4 explosive devices on Camp Victoria, the headquarters of the Chin National Front or Chin National Army in Chin State, Myanmar, near the border with Mizoram State, India. Due to the sudden attack, 5 members of the Chin National Army (CNA) were killed in the attack. 5 fighter jets were identified, 3 Yak-130S and 2 MiG-29S. Credible sources also informed that at least 1 bomb landed on the Indian soil and damaged the truck nearing Mizoram registration number MZ01J6847 of a villager from Farkwan village in Mizoram State, India, which borders Chin State, Myanmar. The bomb landed about 50 meters away from the truck and destroyed its front mirror, but the owner of the truck was able to escape and hide from the takers.